Okay. Ugh. I got and the hiccups.
Oh no, the hiccups.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So. So today, me and my mom are going to be doing the slime challenge. Ooh. So this is a slime challenge that I actually made up. So it's basically the blindfolded slime challenge. So you wear a blindfold, and then another person will pick the slime, and then you have to guess what kind of slime it is. So these all have different names. Well, some of them have the exact same name, which is why we're going to give them all different names.
How am I supposed to remember these names?
Kinetic sand slime. Mom, are you looking?
Okay. Well, but you're just gonna tell me that you're the one who's gonna have the blindfold on?
What? Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm telling you so that you know that I said the right answer. So, kinetic sand slime, fluffy slime, glossy slime, jelly cube slime, clear slime with glitter in it, foam slime, clear slime, sprinkle slime, slime smoothie, because
I like that name.
it's a slime smoothie. It's a piece of all of my slimes.
That's what you did this morning?
Yeah. Grinch slime.
Coffee.
Coffee. Bubble slime. Makeup slime. I used lipstick to color it. Charcoal slime, easy.
Wow, there's a lot of slimes.
Clear glue slime.
Specific.
Sandy slime. Snowstorm slime. Salt slime. I use salt to make it. Favorite slime. I need to blow my nose. Okay. Okay, so you get to pick. Oh, first we gotta take off all the lids
and
open
up
the
container,
bags.
Yeah, because we did this before, and she can hear. I mean, even taking them out of the bags, no matter what, she can hear what thing I'm using, which then tells her like half of which ones it could be.
Yep.
She's pretty good at this game, I'll say. She knows her slimes.
Oh yeah. Well, because I made all of them.
Yeah.
I don't buy no slimes. This one's a little sticky. Oh dang it, I should have called one of them sticky slime. Ah!
I mean, the truth is, I'm not gonna remember the names to any of these. So you're gonna have to describe them to me before you look, so that I know for sure you know.
Well, I always rewatch my videos. And you always watch my videos before I post them. So, oops, you'll have to know. Okay. Now, I'm going to put the blindfold on. By the way, she actually did my hair.
Are you trying to put that on without ruining your hair? I can redo it.
I don't care. Yeah. I was about to use it as a headband. Oh, dang it, I just realized I was putting it on like a headband too. It's gonna go like this. Oh. Ow. This is hurting. Wait, I need
Can
a
you see?
mat.
Oh.
I got one out. It's right there. This is hurting my face. I cannot see.
Okay.
La 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 la.
Okay, are you ready?
What?
You ready?
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Okay.
La 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 la.
All right.
La 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 la.
Give me your hands.
Huh?
Give me your hand.
This one is the it's I don't remember what name I gave it.
Told you. Describe it.
It's clear glue. It's white. I think I called it clear glue slime.
Okay.
Ow.
That's the one you thought it was, right?
Yep. Okay. I
Ready?
need to blow my nose so you can get that ready. Yep.
Okay, she's not cheating. She's getting it readjusted.
Okay.
All right, ready?
La 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 la
Okay, it's in front of you.
Oh, okay. Ah, it's a little sticky. Is this all of it? I don't think it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, I knew it
I
wasn't.
thought that would be it.
It's
I thought
obviously
that would-
charcoal slime.
Oh, okay, yeah, you're right.
It has actual literal charcoal in it.
I thought if I gave you the smaller amount that it might throw you off a little bit.
Nope, none of my slimes are this small. Told you it was sticky. Wait, no, I told you that the sand slime was sticky. But it has literal charcoal in it. You could see it. All those little,
Where'd you get the charcoal?
outside
Oh.
in Dad's barbecue.
Oh.
Once you've already done them, close them up.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the charcoals. Lime. Did you close up the first one? Okay. I'll put this over there because it actually goes up there. This is actually cute.
Ready?
Yes. La 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 la. Okay, just move a bunch of stuff around so I don't know
Yeah.
because I'm getting bored of just
La 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 la
la la la la la la la la la la la la la. Oh, this one's This is my my favorite slime. It's in the jelly jar.
Okay,
Was I right?
I think so.
Yep. Favorite slime. This one actually stumped me because I have one just like it. It's even like the same color.
It didn't really stump you. You guessed it right away.
Well, did you not hear me say
Oh.
Because I said This one is a glossy slime. I already named one glossy slime, so I couldn't call this one glossy slime. So it's favorite slime.
Gotcha.
On some of them, their names are on the top, so that's how you can remember.
But not all.
Not all. This one says glossy slime on it because it is a glossy slime. Just okay. Wait, this one. Why is this one closed? Okay, ready? I'm ready. Oh, this one is so easy. This is my kinetic sand slime. It's hot pink.
Yep.
And it has jelly cubes inside of it. Oh yeah.
Am I throwing you off with the sounds, or do you still know which container it's coming from?
Well, I think you should mess with the, like if you're doing a
I tried,
bad,
but it's hard.
yeah, like don't do, because it's kind of obvious when you do that. But maybe do.
Okay.
Woo. I'm ready. I'm ready.
We should have like music on in the background.
Why? That wouldn't
Because-
help.
You don't think so? Huh.
What?
It's a tiny sample.
Oh.
And you don't know what kind of container it came from either. Ha ha ha.
It came from a bag. And it's it is the wait. This one?
Nope.
What?
I got you!
Oh! I knew it was one of the clear slimes. I thought that you were throwing me off and doing ones that you already did.
Nope.
Okay. No more tiny pieces. That's not fair. Not this tiny. The rule is it has to be able to be swirled, which this one cannot be swirled, as you can see. Wait, let me.
I don't know what that means.
It's like a poop. It's a unicorn poop. Swirl.
Mm.
This one cannot be swirled. See? It's too
All
tiny.
right, come on, lady. Move along.
Okay. I thought you were already reaching for the slime. I'm like, you were?
No.
Got syrup on my arm.
You didn't even eat syrup today.
I mean, from the table, there's syrup right
I
here.
thought you cleaned it.
Syrup
The
right
table. I thought you cleaned it.
When?
I don't know. I thought you did.
Oh, this one is so sticky. I know which one it is.
Oh, which one is it?
It's the
It is
blue
sticky.
kinetic sand slime.
Yeah, it's really
Sandy
sticky.
slime.
Sandy, sticky, sandy.
I just put my thumb in my nose. Not that sticky to me, but
But you have slime hands.
eh. But I mean, I just play with slime more often.
True. So what's your best slime tip?
My best slime tip is probably play with it if you want if you want it to be fun to play with. Don't like make a bunch of slime and then just only play with a few. I
mean,
play with all of my slime.
Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 that we haven't even gone through yet.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
So what qualifies as a lot of slime?
No, I mean, I play with all my slime though.
Oh. So what happens if you don't play with it?
If you don't play with it, it'll get underactivated, and then, like this one, I don't play with this one very often.
That's why it's so sticky.
Yeah, so it got really sticky because you need to be moving it around. Like, you know when you're making slime and then you add and then you add activator in and then you have to play with it a little bit to make it so that it's so that you don't add
I
too
do know
much
that's what
activator.
you do because I see you do that, but I've
Yep.
never done that because I don't play with slime.
You don't make it either.
I don't make it either.
Okay.
We're going back to the bags, and I'm just going to be open and honest about that because I'm not being able to hide it.
Okay. This was so easy. This is my.
They're all so easy. You say that every
Well,
time.
they all have different, really defining factors to them. This one is my clear glue, and my clear slime
It
with
makes a
glitter in it.
mess. Glitter is flying out of it as you're playing with it.
I know, especially when you do that. If
I
you
hate
do that, glitter. Well, these are more like sequins.
I hate sequins.
No, you don't.
They're messy. They end up everywhere. I mean, it's so hard to get rid of them.
This slime looks a lot cooler when you didn't just play with it for 12 hours.
What do you mean?
What? Because
Why is that?
it's clear. So
Oh, this is the one this morning that looked like glass.
Yeah.
It was really clear.
Yeah. It's just when you play with it a whole bunch, then it gets air bubbles in it.
Oh. I was going to say, I wonder why it gets murky, and you answered my question because it gets air bubbles in it.
Mhm.
Smart. Okay.
I'm ready. Don't do that. That's static electricity waiting to happen. Already happening.
Okay, are you ready? Now, you can actually not see.
Yes.
I'm like silent this time. You can't hear a thing.
It's from a glass jar, and it's my
How'd you
purple lipstick. My makeup slime. I knew because there's no way it could be silent
Oh, that's true.
from a bag.
That's a good point. The bags are loud.
Yeah. But this is also a glossy slime. I went through a glossy slime phase. They're all the ones in these jars.
She made me buy these jars. And did she eat the jelly?
Not so much.
She didn't like the jelly.
I didn't love the jelly. I liked it.
But you like the jars. She likes this size jars.
Mhm. And I love the label. It's so cute.
Too bad she doesn't like the food inside. Okay.
Who buys jam
Because they like it?
for jam?
Most everybody. All the people.
I buy jam for jars.
Okay.
I'm ready.
You're lying.
I am ready.
Okay, get ready.
I'm ready.
Why do you even need to cheat? You've gotten every single one right.
No? I got that one wrong.
Oh, that's right. You did miss one.
Gimme, gimme. Gimme, gimme. Gimme, 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 gimme.
Cheater.
That wasn't a cheat. I was helping you. Because I could hear that it came
like
from a
this
bag. You like this one? Even though it's sticking to your hand?
Yeah, it's not too sticky. Well, it is a little sticky, I guess, but it's
Okay,
soft.
this one is from a jar.
It is. You're right.
And it's my bubbly, no, it's my foam.
Is it? It's
Slime?
the stuff
It's-
Nana didn't like? It's this? No.
No,
No,
that's not
no.
the stuff that Yeah, like it's from the. I don't remember what I called it. I know what jar it is. It's in a thick jar. That it's in a jar.
Yeah, you won't be able to say what it is though, because you don't remember the salsa name.
It starts with a T.
Yeah.
And the lid is purple.
Mhm.
And it always has bubbles on the top.
Yeah.
I don't remember what it's called.
The Tostitos?
No,
Or the
I know
slime?
the Tostitos. I don't remember what I called it.
I don't know,
think
but I like it soft.
called it. Oh yeah, I really love this one. I think I called it Phoebe slime.
I think we should do either 2 or 3 more, because otherwise you get down to not enough, and you know what I'm giving you even. So 2 or 3 more.
How about 4 or 5?
How about 4? We'll meet in the
5.
middle. How about 2?
How about 7? We'll
about
meet in
one?
the middle. 7, and we'll meet in the middle to 5.
No. 2 or 3.
Or 4. Or 5. 5, yes.
I'll do 4. Oh, everything's a bargain. 4?
Let's meet in the middle to 5.
5 has never been in the middle.
It's the middle.
It's not the middle.
I said 6.
You never even said 6.
I said
That's like
6.
a number you never said. You never actually said 6.
I actually did say 6. We can go back on this record. No, don't. Let's not, actually.
She's wrong. All right, do you want to do 2 more or no?
4.
Okay, 4.
Yes! Wait! Dang it!
4 is what I was going to say from the beginning. I know how to play you. You think you're playing me, but I know how to play you.
I am
Ready?
playing you. Who said I actually won 5?
Okay, come on, get ready.
Why does my tongue always have to come out of my mouth?
I don't know. Disturbing.
It's from a bag.
I do not like this one.
I love this one. It's my orange
Look at your
jelly.
face. Your face is like you do not love it. You said I love it with a face and said
I
do
love
not
this slime. This is my orange jelly cube slime.
Yeah, I don't like it. This is the one Nana said she didn't like to pick. This kind with the jelly cubes.
I have a mustache.
Don't put it on your face.
It wasn't on my face.
Okay, so that was 1. I'm going to make a new pile so that I can keep track of our 4. Close your eyes. Now close your eyes.
No. Keep putting- My eyes.
You're... I was trying to be sneaky about the jar, but then it popped back.
So it's from a jar.
Are you stumped?
No.
You look a little stumped.
No. It's from the jam jar, and it is blue.
Yep,
I don't.
you got it.
Did I give this one a name? My salty slime,
Oh, why is it salty?
because I made it with salt.
Oh,
So I soaked this in a bunch of salt, and then I microwaved it, soaked it in hot water for about a day.
let's see if we can see us through it.
Hello, dumpling smile.
Darks. Okay.
But smell it. Oh my gosh.
Isn't that what I was expecting it to smell like? I
20.
know. Can you believe it's been 25 minutes?
That says 24.
Point 51. And now it says 24.
24.
5.
24.
Okay, ready?
Actually, it says 25.
Are you ready? This one was trying to escape. Escape.
I wasn't. I was pulling it down. This is the slime smoothie.
Oh, I didn't actually look up, so I don't actually know. Is this the slime smoothie?
No, it is not.
I got her twice. Which one was this slime smoothie? This one?
No, this one.
Oh, these 3 are like identical, so I don't know how she can tell.
This one doesn't have glitter in it.
Oh.
That one has chunks. And this one doesn't
Pretty
have
amazing.
chunks.
I'm not going to use the jar one. 'Cause there's only one jar one, and you'll know.
I didn't know there was
Right
only
away.
one jar one left. So,
Okay, ready?
this one's very stiff.
This is the last one. I'm doing the last one.
No, this isn't the last
Yep. 1, 2, 3.
one. No. 1, 2. This is the second to last.
All right, I'm gonna make it a good one.
Second to last
No,
one.
Stop. Sit down. Come on.
It's
Careful,
the
careful.
second to last one.
I better make it a good one. Come
I'm
on.
ready.
Come on. Be for real. Be for real.
I heard it over my head.
That's weird. I didn't put it over your head.
If I look back at this recording and you put it over my... Oh, this is easy. It's the only one in that bag, in that kind of bag.
Yeah, you're right. You're right about
It's... I don't know what I called it. That was probably the most difficult part.
that. Naming and then remembering.
Yes. This is a clear slime, a clear glue slime, but it has dye in it, so... And shaving cream.
It has dye.
Yeah. Marker dye.
Oh, that's right. This is the one you were coloring with the gray marker.
And the black one, too.
All right, that was fun. Thanks for letting me visit. I'm Addie.
It wasn't on my face.
Don't put it on your face. You're sick.
I'm not sick.
So what's your outro?
So I hope you guys liked that video. If you did, please smash that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, then smash that subscribe button. Comment down below if you like to play with slime. And why was I gonna say? And I will see you guys next time. And ciao for now.